Hi everybody, Coach Dom Costa with episode number 65, How to Make Money Scrapping Metal. My plumber hooked me up and he definitely did. Now, my social networks are a big help with getting metal into my truck. I'm kind of going with the better metals, and as you're going to see in the back of my truck, I got all these red railings from a friend of mine that I work with. They got me on the social network, messaged me, hey, can you come and get them? I also found some car bumper parts while I went to visit my uncle, who is the owner of Hollywood Airstream, and they fix up those old Airstreams. And he had this old axle, and he asked me to pick it up. And again, right now the current price as the making of this video is about 3.5 cents per pound, that $80 per gross ton. So it's, not bad money. The big money came with the plumber, who's a nice friend of mine. He doesn't like to do this kind of stuff, so he stacks his copper for me, and I pick it up from him. I stack it with my other better metals, and it was a good haul. Making these relationships with people is important because, as you're going to see, this stuff is going to pay off. That's some of my dirtier brass. I'm sorry I didn't take more pictures, but you're going to see the numbers as we come up to the ticket, and you're going to see the different amounts of weights that I had for my wire, my aluminum, my yellow brass, and my copper. And you can start to see the prices that the mother load really was the yellow brass. That's the good stuff from the plumber. The number 2 copper was a good haul. The wire isn't too shabby. The varieties of different aluminum I get pay off. And again, social networks. Besides driving back and forth to work, my friends and neighbors tell me to pick up their heavier stuff. So as you can see here, total for one haul, 164 bucks, both sets of metal, not too shabby. You can do this too. I got it in my books. Check it out. Especially if you got a truck van, I break it down step by step. I've got links for you to hit on to get to these books, and get your hustle on. You can make some extra money for your life, and the social networks are paying off for me. Do it.